Hey guys, Josh here, and welcome to a brand new video. Today you're going to be witnessing the August unboxing of the Never Ending Coin Club subscription box. So without further ado, let's get started. Now they package them pretty well, but this one was packaged a little bad for my taste. I wasn't very happy with the way this was packaged up, but because they had the 1938 quarter rolling around inside of the envelope it was in. Like, it squeezed its way out of the sides of the box. Not a huge deal. It's just, I wish it was taped a little better. But what you see in front of you is a 1938 quarter. 90% silver. Cool. What you see in front of you here is a PCGS PR69 DCAM Yellowstone silver. As indicated here, you'll see silver if it's actually made of 90% silver on your coinage when you get from PCGS. So this is a 2010 PR69 Deep Cameo silver quarter. And rather unexpected, I have a 1 troy ounce silver bar. Rather unexpected. Normally I like to see half ounces and things like that coming out of Never Ending Coin Club, but I actually got a full ounce of silver here for $30 a month. So that's actually pretty cool. I like to see companies that do that. And guys, remember, just like in my last video, I'm purchasing Never Ending Coin Club subscription box for approximately $30 a month, and each month is something different. Now, I did get some feedback on my last video talking about how it wasn't worth $30, and to be honest with you, it probably isn't, right? Sitting in front of you, it's probably $25 worth of silver. And for $30 a month, to get a surprise every month, I'm totally fine with that. And you know, just like any good American, we should always support our local owned businesses. And Never Ending Coin Club is a Firefighter owned business, small business that is making a name for itself. So I encourage everybody to purchase Never Ending Coin Club, and no, they did not pay me to say that. Okay, they did not pay me to say that at all. I am legitimately pleased with Never Ending Coin Club. This is a fair company. They will give you a fair value for what they can. Now, if you want exact weight for cost, go somewhere else. However, if you want a surprise, Never Ending Coin Club is definitely your #1 stop. Like I said, you guys need to leave in the description below. In the description below, leave a comment asking me to try other coin subscription boxes, and I will do that. But you need to let me know in the description what, in the comment section, what I should be looking at. Because quite frankly, these are good pickups for $30. Okay, these are good pickups. All right, I am actually very pleased with what I got in this month's subscription box. August, you guys at Never Ending Coin Club, huge shout out, huge shout out. You guys are awesome. You guys hooked your boy up. I guess here's the sleeve for the quarter. You guys hooked your boy up. You know, I got a little rummaged around in the packaging, but that's okay. That's okay. It wasn't too bad. So I'd like to say thanks, guys. Remember, if you liked it, leave a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, then, well, you can leave one of these. And like always, guys, Josh Silver out.